Cricket now. Former Cricket West Indies President Dave Cameron says he has given thought to challenging for the leadership of the Jamaica Cricket Association, the JCA, but when the time is right. Renata Brown reports.
Delegates are set to go to the polls this year to vote for the next president of the Jamaica Cricket Association, with current boss Wilford Billy Heaven likely to be returned unopposed. When asked whether he would challenge the incumbent, Cameron had this to say.
I don't think the region is ready for me. I'm not sure if Jamaica is ready for me. We get caught up in personalities and side issues rather than how do we get the team to win? How do we continue to produce quality cricketers that can earn a living from this sport? And how do we ensure that the sport continues? Those are all the things that I'm interested in. Not getting caught up in personalities.
Having said that, Cameron, who is president of the Kensington Cricket Club in Kingston, is not dismissing the idea of challenging Heaven if he gets the backing.
I suppose if the membership wants me to get them back to where we need to be, then I'll probably consider it. But it's not something that I've had on my radar.
Cameron has also taken issue with JCA Vice President Dr. Donovan Bennett, who in a recent interview on Hits 92 FM Sports Grill claimed local clubs weren't doing enough to develop young players.
I'm somebody who deals with numbers. We are the biggest island in the region by population. It means just by sheer numbers, we should be dominating West Indies cricket, we should be dominating in regional cricket. You tell me what we've done in the last 6-7 years. And the Vice President, Donovan Bennett, says it's not about performance on the field. The issue is the clubs and all those people who run clubs. And that's why Jamaica is not winning anything. I call on him to come forward and tell us what are those people? What does he mean by those people who run clubs?
And the three-term regional board president also took a jab at the delegates.
If the Jamaican cricket voters, the electorate, believes that I can help. But again, I don't believe that they think there's anything wrong with Jamaica cricket. So again, I have my views. I'm not so sure that the electorate believes that there's anything wrong.
Heaven, who beat Martinita 62-37 in the 2019 election, will be seeking a fourth two-year term in office. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.